In this video we will talk about what is Polygon, Polygon's roots, how does Polygon work, and much more. So make sure to watch the full video. Hi guys, welcome to a new video from Cryptoers1, the YouTube channel where you can find all the news about crypto, NFT, and blockchain. Every day a new video, follow us not to miss the news. In a market with over 5,000 cryptocurrencies, each with its own set of values and financial policies, newer coins are usually overlooked. Polygon's MATIC, however, is standing out. Launched in late 2017, MATIC, the native token of Polygon, is now among the top 15 cryptocurrencies by market capitalization and has surged by over 30% this week despite other crypto prices falling in a market-wide downturn. Polygon's scope extends beyond being just another digital asset. First, it is a Layer 2 scaling solution for Ethereum, designed to improve the network's transaction processing speed and reduce transaction costs, also known as gas fees. Second, Polygon is a platform where developers can launch their own sovereign blockchains and decentralized applications, empowered by a set of advanced modules that enable the deployment of interconnected blockchain networks with easily customizable functionality. To understand Polygon's vision and how it aims to create the borderless future of the blockchain industry, we'll first take a look at how the network functions and what makes it stand out among hundreds of other projects. 1. What is Polygon? Polygon, formerly known as MATIC Network, is a blockchain scalability platform and framework for connecting and building blockchain networks compatible with Ethereum. The network also refers to itself as Ethereum's Internet of Blockchains, because one of Polygon's main missions is aggregating scalable solutions to support a multi-chain Ethereum ecosystem. The Polygon network is Ethereum native, aligned to be interoperable with all of Ethereum's existing and even future infrastructures, while offering a framework for its interoperability with other Layer 2 solutions, sidechains, and sovereign blockchains. The Polygon network is thus also categorized as a Layer 2 aggregator, aiming to create a multi-chain ecosystem of Ethereum-compatible blockchains with superior interoperability. A Layer 2 solution refers to a framework built on the base chain to take some strain off it and complement its fundamental pain points. Polygon is a plasma-based aggregator, which is a Layer 2 solution for Ethereum that provides a framework for building decentralized apps, DApps, off-chain that have fortified security, scalability, and speed. The Plasma framework is one of the driving developments behind blockchain technology's mass adoption. Polygon has its own implementation of Plasma in what's known as Polygon Plasma chains. Besides constituting a framework for DApps, Polygon Plasma chains also enable transactions to be offloaded from the main blockchain into secondary chains for cheaper and faster transactions. Polygon Network also has a native token, $MATIC, currently trading at $2.35 with a $16.1 billion market cap, making it the 14th largest cryptocurrency. MATIC has a max supply of 10 billion coins, with a circulating supply of around 6.87 billion coins, or 63% of the max supply. MATIC is used to power the network and serve as a utility token for Polygon. It functions as the network's main transactional currency and as a financial incentive for those who want to contribute to the ecosystem. It is also used as collateral in a process called staking, which enables users to participate in Polygon's consensus mechanism to validate transactions in return for MATIC tokens. 2. Polygon's roots. Initially called MATIC Network, India-based Polygon was founded in October 2017 by Jayanti Kannani, Sandeep Nailwal, and Anurag Arjun, India's first crypto billionaires. The three initial co-founders developed Polygon to address the issues associated with Ethereum's high gas fees and congested network, as described in the protocol's original white paper. The decentralized, multidisciplinary team behind Polygon is led by the founding three. Kannani is acting CEOs, plus Mihailo Bielik, who joined the company soon after it was rebranded to Polygon and became the fourth co-founder. Polygon also partners with Decentraland, Chainlink, and Maker DAO. Its investors include Mark Cuban, the billionaire owner of the NBA team, the Dallas Mavericks. As a decentralized, global team, Polygon enables like-minded people to contribute to their vision of creating a borderless world. Developers can start contributing to the core protocol or building their own dApps by joining the Developer Support Program. 3. How does Polygon work? Polygon aims to transform Ethereum into a complete, multi-chain system, or Internet of Blockchains, similar to ecosystems like Polkadot and Cosmos, with the added advantages of Ethereum's robust protocol and security. In its early days, the ecosystem was known as MATIC Network, a simple scaling solution based on plasma technology to process transactions at lower gas fees. Polygon has since grown into a more complex platform, dedicated to building and launching fully interoperable blockchains. Developers can launch preset networks with customized features using Polygon's growing range of modules that can be further tailored to meet their needs. Blockchains launched on the Polygon network are based on its proof-of-stake (PoS) sidechain, which leverages a network of validators off the blockchain and then finalizes the transactions on Ethereum's main chain afterward. This can take significant strain off the main blockchain, which results in less network congestion, faster transaction speed, and lower gas fees. The Polygon network supports two types of chains: standalone chains, which are self-sovereign blockchains on the MATIC PoS chain and compatible with Ethereum, and secured chains, which fortify their security using a network of professional validators. Polygon offers a range of scaling architecture for Ethereum, namely the MATIC PoS chain and Plasma chain, that are already implemented at the time of writing. The network is working on developing further scaling infrastructure to help prepare Ethereum for mass adoption, such as Polygon Plasma, a Layer 2 solution that provides a framework for building dApps off-chain, benefiting from Ethereum's secure infrastructure. ZK Rollups, a Layer 2 solution based on zero-knowledge proof, meaning that it executes the transactions off-chain, only submitting the proof of validity to the main Ethereum chain. Optimistic Rollups, a Layer 2 solution based on fraud proofs that also executes the transactions off-chain, only submitting proof of fraud to the main blockchain if an invalid block is discovered. Validum Chains, a Layer 2 solution almost identical to ZK Rollups, except data availability is kept off-chain to prevent funds from being stolen. Standalone Chains, sovereign Ethereum sidechains, secured by their validators that can be connected to the main blockchain via bridges. Shared Security Chains, blockchains based on security as a service, meaning that their validation service is provided by a shared pool of PoS validators managed on the Ethereum main chain. All of the above-mentioned scaling mechanisms are built to boost the transaction throughput of Ethereum without sacrificing the network's security and user experience. Experts hope that these will represent a solution for slow blockchain transactions without compromising the network's decentralized nature. Polygon is actively developing these scaling solutions, with optimistic rollups being the next major update. Unlike most major blockchain projects, however, Polygon doesn't have a roadmap with exact dates, since the project will technically never be complete. As a Layer 2 aggregator, new scalability solutions will continuously arise as blockchain technology is developing. This is why Polygon is preparing to launch additional magnets like optimistic rollups and Validum chains. Developers and supporters interested in Polygon's development can follow their updates here or tune into their monthly community calls. 4. Polygon's vision and how it's changing the blockchain industry. Polygon envisions a truly decentralized world without digital borders, where people can freely exchange value on a global scale without any third-party intermediaries or gatekeepers. For the blockchain industry, this implies a global ecosystem without technological or brand-related divides, where all the blockchain networks can exchange information frictionlessly. Polygon has already brought more interoperability to the industry and made the most important steps towards a borderless digital world by creating Ethereum's Internet of Blockchains, a multi-chain ecosystem of blockchains compatible with Ethereum. The network provides a fairly simple framework for developers who are interested in launching their own Ethereum-compatible blockchain protocols with a single click. The solutions presented by Polygon are the answers to some of the most pressing issues of Ethereum, like high gas fees, low transaction throughput, and consequently a poor user experience. Polygon's scaling mechanisms are designed to solve these challenges and make Ethereum a faster and cheaper multi-chain ecosystem. More than a simple layer scaling solution, Polygon can provide the infrastructure for a network of distinct and self-sovereign blockchains that will benefit from absolute interoperability. What do you think of our video? Let me know in the comment section below. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to hit that like button. Also, subscribe to our channel before you go.